Um, Hello everyone, good evening. So here we shall solve some more JEE Mains previous year questions on the chapter Indefinite Integrals. So any doubts if you have, please write that in the comments. We shall obviously clarify them in the the subsequent videos. Also in any other chapter of maths, if you have more difficulty, then please mention the name of that chapter also in the comments so that we can give more priority on it and solve more and more questions on that chapter. Also, please install our Sapience Education application, where we shall upload some important previous year questions on every chapter, which shall be obviously helpful for our exam. So please install our Sapience Education application, whose link has been provided in the description. So here it is told that if I of x that is equal to integral I of x that is equal to integral secant square x minus 2022 by sine power 2022 x dx, and if I of pi by 4 that is equal to 2 power 1011, then which one will be true? So we have to find I of pi by 3 and I of pi by 6, both of them. So now this integral, we can write it as I of x that is equal to integral secant square x dx by sine power 2022 x minus 2022 integral dx by sine power 2022 x. Now this we can write it as 1 by sine power 2022 x into integral secant square x dx, then minus d by dx of 1 by sine power 2022 x into integral secant square x dx, its whole integral dx. So this will be equal to integral secant square x is tan x. So tan x by sine power 2022 x minus d by dx of sine power 2022 x, that is equal to, now that is so this will be equal to minus 2022 by sine power 2023 x and x power n minus 1 into cos x to d by dx of sin x, that is cos x into integral secant square x is tan x to dx. And obviously minus 2022 integral dx by sine power 2022 x. So minus 2022 integral dx by sine power 2022 x. So this is equal to tan x by sine power 2022 x, then plus this is 2022 integral. So this will be cos x into tan x is sin x. So this will be dx by sine power 2022 x, then minus 2022 integral dx by sine power 2022 x. So these two will get cancelled, and plus c also we have to add. So therefore the integral I of x that is equal to nothing but tan x by sine power 2022 x plus c. So now I of pi by 4 that will be tan pi by 4 is 1. and sine of pi by 4 is 1 by root 2. So 1 by root 2 power 2022 plus c, which is equal to root 2 power 2022. So it is 2 power 1011 plus c, and that is given as equal to 2000, 2 power to 1011. So therefore the value of c, therefore the value of this integration constant, that is c, that will be 0. Therefore I of x, that will be equal to tan x by sine power 2022x. Now therefore I of pi by 3, that is tan 60 degree, tan pi by 3, tan 60 is root 3, and sine pi by 3, it is root 3 by 2 power 2022. So this is 2 power 2022 divided by uh, root 3 power 2021, and I of pi by 6, I of pi by 6, that will be tan pi by 6, that is 1 by root 3, and sine pi by 6, that is half power 2022. So that is 2 power 2022 divided by root 3. So therefore I of pi by 3, I can say that is equal to root 3. So that is I of pi by 6 into 1 by root 3 power 2020, which means that root 3 power 2020 times I of pi by 3 minus I of pi by 6, that is equal to 0. Also I can say it is 3 power 1010 into I of pi by 3 minus I of pi by 6, that is equal to 0. So therefore option A is the correct answer. Then here it is told to find this integral. The integral I, that is 1 minus 1 by root 3 into cos x minus sin x, integral divided by, from here root 3 by 2 I can take outside. 2 by root 3 I can take as common outside. Then here I will have root 3 by 2 plus sine 2x dx. So now cos x minus sin x, that can be written as root 2 into sine pi by 4 into cos x minus cos pi by 4 into sin x, which means that it is since sine pi by 4 and cos pi by 4 is 1 by root 2. So this is sine a cos b minus cos a sin b. So this is sine of a minus b. So it is root 2 sine pi by 4 minus x. And this root 3 by 2 can be written as sine pi by 3. Pi by 3. So therefore, now sine pi by 3 plus sine 2x sine pi by 3 plus sine 2x. So that will be equal to, so sine c plus sine d, as you know, sine c plus sine d. That is equal to 2 sine c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. So sine pi by 4 plus sine 2x. So that is 2 sine pi by 6 plus x to cos pi by 3 minus 2x. So it is pi by 6 minus x. Therefore, the integral I can be written as, I can write root 3 minus 1 by root 3 into, I can say this is into root 2 sine pi by 4 minus x divided by pi root 3. So this is 2 into sine pi by 3 plus sine 2x, which is 2 sine pi by 6 plus x into cos of pi by 6 minus x. So this is nothing but root 2 and 2 will cancel, root 2 will come. So it is root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2 into sine pi by 4 minus x divided by sine pi by 4 pi by 6 plus x into cos pi by 6 minus x. Now root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2, that is what? That is sine this root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2. I can say this is root 3 by 2 into 1 by root 2 minus 1 by 2 into 1 by root 2. So that is, also I can write sine pi by 3 into cos pi by 4 minus cos pi by 3 into sine pi by 4. So which is nothing but sine a cos b minus cos a sine a, which is sine of a minus b, pi by 3 minus pi by 4, which is equal to sine pi by 12. Sine pi by 12. So therefore the integral I can be written as sine pi by 12 to sine pi by 4 minus x divided by sine pi by 6 plus x to sine cos pi by 6 minus x. Cos pi by 6 minus x. So now, okay, this is the integral actually. We can write this here half and here 2. Now 2 sin A sin D, you can say that is equal to cos of A minus B minus of cos A plus B. So therefore this 2 sin pi by 12 into sin pi by 4 minus x, that can be written as cos of pi by 12 minus pi by 4 plus x minus cos of pi by 12 plus pi by 4 minus x. So this will be equal to cos of 4 3 is 12. This is minus pi by 6 actually. Since it will be 3 4 the 12, so it will 1 by 12 minus 3 by 12 I can say, which is minus 2 by 12, which is 1 by minus 1 by 6 plus x. And we know that cos of minus theta, that is equal to cos theta. This will be cos of 1 by 12 plus 3 by 12, so 4 by 12, that is pi by 3. Pi by 3 minus x. So this will be cos of pi by 6 minus x minus cos pi by 3 minus x. So therefore the integral I can write it as half of integral cos of pi by 6 minus x minus cos of, so this divided by sine pi by 6 plus x, pi by 6 minus x. So it is half cos of pi by 6 minus x into sine pi by 6 plus x cos pi by 6 minus x, then minus half of cos of pi by 3 minus x by sine pi by 6 plus x into cos pi by 6 minus x. It will be half of, now this into dx, obviously dx should be there. Here also dx we have to write. So, right. So these two will get cancelled. So then I will get minus, so half of integral cosec pi by 6 minus x dx minus half of this will be cos pi by 3 minus x. Now sine pi by 6 plus x, that I can say that is equal to cos pi by 2 minus pi by 6 minus x. Since why? We know that sine theta, that is equal to sine theta, we know that is equal to same as cos pi by 2 minus theta also. So it means that sine means that sine pi by 6 minus x. So this will be equal to cos of, now 2 3 is 6 3, so 2 pi by 6, that is pi by 3 minus x. So this is again sine pi by 6 plus x I can write divided into dx, obviously to dx divided by sine pi by 6 plus x to cos pi by 6 minus x. So these two will get cancelled, and we know that integral cosec x that is given as ln mod tan x by 2, and integral sec x that is sec x dx that is given as ln mod tan x by 2 plus pi by 4, then mod x by 2 plus pi by 4. So here also we can write it. This is log base e mod tan x by 2. So this by 2, so that is pi by 12 minus x by 2. Here one minus sign will also come here. Since if you take this as t, then dx will be equal to minus dt. Then minus, this is half of integral sec x dx. No, sorry, this is sec of, it's 1 by cos is there, so it is sec of pi by 6 minus x dx. So integral sec x, that is also equal to tan x by 2 plus pi by ln tan x by 2 plus pi by 4. So therefore answer, therefore the required integral, that is equal to ln equal to half of ln so integral, this will become plus log base e mod tan, this will be x by 2 plus pi by 4 by 2, so pi by 12 minus x by 2 plus pi by 4 minus half log base e mod tan x by 2. X by 2 means pi by 12 minus x by 2 minus x by 2. So now pi by 12 plus pi by 4, that is pi by 12 plus 3 pi by 12. So that is 4 pi by 12, that is pi by 3. So therefore, the final answer, that is half of, so the final answer is half of log base e tan of pi by 3 minus x by 2 divided by mod of tan of by 3 plus x by 2 tan of pi by 12 minus x by 2 pi by 12 minus x by 2 plus c. Here the thing is, it is told that we have got the function I got the function I as half of log base e mod is tan pi by 3 minus x by 2 by tan pi by 12 minus x by 2 plus c. So now we know that also tan pi by 2 minus theta, that is equal to cot theta, which is 1 by tan theta. So therefore this tan theta, so tan theta also, that is tan pi by 12 minus x by 2, that is I can say that is 1 by tan of pi by 2 minus this, pi by 2 minus pi by 12 plus x by 2, which is nothing but 1 by says 6 pi by 1 by 10 5 pi by 12 plus x by 2. This is also here actually something is wrong here. It's something wrong. So this will be plus, since why here it was plus sine pi by 6 plus x. And here this will cancel. So okay. So this will be pi by 12 plus x by 2. So this will be pi by 12 plus x by 2. This is pi by 12 minus x by 2 plus pi by 4 only. But here this will be pi by 12 plus x by 2. So this is pi by 12 plus x by 2. This pi by 3 minus x by 2. Pi by 12 plus x by 2, and this is pi by 3 minus x by 2. Okay. So this tan pi by 3 12 plus x by 2. So this will be this one here also. This sec pi by 6 minus x, that I can write cosec pi by 2 minus pi by 6 plus x, which is equal to cosec 3 to the 6 3 pi by 3 plus x. So here this minus sign will not come. This part is wrong actually. Here actually what is happening, the integral I that we got, integral half of integral cosec pi by 6 plus x, then this will be pi by 3 plus x. This is pi by 6 plus x into dx minus half of integral cosec pi by 3 plus x into dx. So this will be half of log base e mod tan x by 2. So that is tan pi by 12 plus x by 2 minus half of log base e mod tan pi by 6 plus x by 2 plus. So this will be half of log base e mod tan pi by 12 plus x by 2 by tan of pi by 6 plus x by 2 plus c. So this is pi x by 2 plus pi by 12 by x by 2 plus pi by 6. It means option A is the correct answer. So here it is told that integral x square plus 1 e power x dx by x plus 1 whole square, that is given as, that is f of x into e power x plus c. So we know that the integral e power x into f dash x dx e power x into, actually e power x into, if we have f dash x plus f of x dx, so then we can say this will be f of x into integral e power x dx. Here we can apply the integration by parts, then minus integral f dash x into e power x dx, then plus integral we have f dash x to e power x dx. So these two parts will cancel. So the answer is e power x into f of x plus c. So it means here this function, that is integral e power x into x square plus 1 by x plus 1 whole square, that can be written in this form, f dash x plus f of x. So x square plus 1 can be written as, this is x plus 1 whole square minus 2 minus 2x, x plus 1 whole square minus 2x or we can say this is x minus 1 whole square plus 2x also. So now one function f of x, if I take, this is x minus 1 by x plus 1 2x if I take this whole square, then f dash x, that will be equal to x plus 1 whole square into 2 into x minus 1, then minus x minus 1 whole square to 2 into x plus 1 by x plus 1 whole power 4. No, then this will not come. Okay, here actually you can write this x square plus 1, actually we can write this as x square minus 1 plus 2. Since y, then we can write this x square plus 1 by x minus x plus 1 whole square as x square minus 1 plus 2 by x plus 1 whole square, which will be equal to x square minus 1 by x plus 1 whole square plus 2 by x plus 1 whole square. So this will be x minus 1 into x plus 1. So this is x minus 1 by x plus 1 plus 2 by x plus 1 whole square. Since y, if I take this as f of x, if I take suppose the function g, this x minus 1 by x plus 1 as g of x, then g dash x, that will be equal to g dash x, that will be equal to x plus 1 in minus of x minus 1 by x plus 1 whole square, which is equal to plus 1, which is 2 by x plus 1 whole square. So therefore, this integral x square plus 1 by x plus 1 whole square e into e power x dx, that can be written as integral e power x into x minus 1 into x plus 1 plus 2 by x plus 1 whole square. So now if this is f of x, then this will be obviously f dash x to dx. So the answer will be x e power x into f of x plus c, which is e power x into x minus 1 into x plus 1 plus c. So therefore, the function f of x is nothing but g of x only, which is x minus 1 by x plus 1. Now, d cube x by dx cube we have to find. D cube f by dx cube, that we have to find at x equal to 1. X equal to 1. X equal to 1. So now, f dash x, that is nothing but 2 by x plus 1 whole square, obviously. So f double dash x, so d cube f by dx cube, it means we have to find f triple dash x, means the third derivative of f. So this is d by dx of this d by dx of 2 by x plus 1 whole square, which is equal to 2 into this is uh, d by dx of x plus 1 power minus 2. So this is nx power n minus 1, which is x plus 1 power minus 3, which is minus 4 by x plus 1 whole cube. So therefore now f double dash f triple dash x, that is d by dx of minus 4 by x plus 1 whole cube. So this is minus 4 into d by dx of x plus 1 power minus 3. So that is minus 4 into minus 3 into x plus 1 power minus 4. So it is 12 by x plus 1 power 4. Now therefore we have to find at x equal to 1. So therefore we have to find f triple dash 1. So that is 12 by 2 power 4. It is 12 by 4 for the 16. So this is 2, let's say 12 for the 16. So that is 3 by 4. So it means 3 by 4. Option B is the correct answer. But then here it is told if the integral 1 by x root over 1 minus x 1 plus x dx, that is equal to g of x plus c, and g of 1 is equal to 0, then g of half will be how much? G of 1 is 0. So we have to find the integration of this function. We can rationalize it. Now here we can rationalize it. So that is so therefore the integral I, let's call it I. So that is integral 1 by x root over 1 minus x into 1 minus x by 1 plus x into 1 minus x to dx. So that is equal to integral 1 by x into 1 minus x whole square root under, so 1 minus x into this is square root of 1 minus x square dx minus x square dx. So that would be root over dx by x into root over 1 minus x square minus integral dx by root over 1 minus x square. Now here we can let's call this as integral I1. This is I2 suppose. So for integral I1 we can say that it is here we can put x as 1 by t. Then obviously dx will be equal to minus 1 by t square into dt. So therefore then I1 that will be equal to integral minus 1 by t square dt into 1 by, this is 1 by t root over 1 minus 1 by t square. So this will be again 1 by t I can take outside. So that is integral minus dt by t square into 1 by t square root over t square minus 1. T square will cancel. So that is minus integral dt by root over t square minus 1. So now we know that integral dx by root over 1 minus x square, that is I2, that is nothing but sine inverse of x plus c2 suppose, and I1 that is minus integral dt by 1 t square minus 1 root over t square minus 1, that is equal to minus log base e mod t plus root over t square minus 1 plus c1. So therefore this I can write. So I1 that will be t is 1 by x, that is log base e mod of 1 by x plus root over 1 by x square minus 1 plus c1. So therefore integral I, that is I1 minus I2. So it is minus of log base e mod 1 by x plus root over 1 by x square minus 1, then minus sine inverse x minus sine inverse of x. This will be plus c1 minus c2. So that will be plus some constant c, I can say. Now g of 1 will be equal to 0. So this is equal to g of x plus c. Now therefore g of, let's call it is c dash. Now g of 1, so g of x will be this c minus c dash minus c. So some constant it is. Let's call it k. So g of 1 that will be minus log base e 1 by 1 plus 0 minus sine inverse of 1 plus k. So that is equal to 0, it is told. So therefore we can say log base e1 that is 0. So k minus sine inverse 1 is pi by 2. So k minus pi by 2 is 0. So the constant k is pi by 2. So therefore g of x. Yeah, class 8. Okay, I will create. So therefore g of x that is equal to minus log base e mod 1 by x plus root over 1 by x square minus 1 minus plus pi by 2 minus sine inverse of x. So this is coming. Then g of half you have to find. So g of half that will be minus log of log base e. So it will be 2 plus root over 1 by 2 whole square. So 1 by 4. So 4 minus 1 plus pi by 2 minus sine inverse half. So this will be minus log base e mod of 2 plus root 3 plus pi by 2 minus pi by 6. So that will be no. So that is log base e 1 by 2 plus root 3 mod plus this is 3 to the 6th. So 2 pi by 6, that is pi by 3. Now 2 plus root 3 I can say that is root 3 plus 1 by root 3 minus 1. Since if we rationalize it, then we will get 2 plus root 3. So this will be, so therefore g of half that will, so therefore g of half that will be nothing but log base e mod is root 3 minus 1 by root 3 plus 1 plus pi by 3. So option A is the correct answer. Then it is It is told to find the integral I, let's call it I, integral dx by fourth root of x minus 1 whole power 3 into x plus 2 whole power 5. Now, we can write this as integral dx by root over. Now I can write it x minus 1 over fourth root of x minus 1 power 4 into x plus 2 power 4 into I can write x plus 2 by x minus 1. Then this will be dx integral dx by x minus 1 into x plus 2 into x plus 2 by x minus 1 whole power 1 by 4. Now the thing is, can take, let's say, x plus 1 by x minus 1, that is equal to t. Then we'll get x plus 2 by x minus 1, that is equal to t. So then x minus 1 minus of x plus 2 by x minus 1 whole square into dx, that will be equal to dt. So hence it means and say this will be minus 3 by x minus 1 whole square into dx, that will be equal to dt. Now actually what we can do, we can take yeah, we can write it like this. We can take I as this will be integral dx by x minus 1 whole power 3 by 4 into x plus 2 whole power 5 by 4. Now then we can write integral dx by x minus 1 whole power 3 by 4 into x minus 1 whole power 5 by 4 into x plus 2 by x minus 1 whole power 5 by 4. So then this will be integral dx by x minus 1 whole square, since by 5 plus 3 is 8, 8 by 4, and into x plus 2 by x minus 1 whole power 5 by 4. Now what we can do, now we can take t as x plus 2 by x minus 1. Then obviously dt will be equal to x minus 1 minus of x plus 2 by x minus 1 whole square. So that will be into dx obviously. So this will be minus 3 by x minus 1 whole square into dx. So therefore dx by x minus 1 whole square, that would be equal to minus 1 by 3 dt. So I can say the integral I is nothing but minus 1 by 3 integral dt by uh, t power 5 by 4. So therefore the integral I, that is minus 1 by 3 integral dt by into t power minus 5 by 4. T power minus 5 by 4. So this is minus 1 by 3 into t power minus 5 by 4 plus 1 by minus 5 by 4 plus 1 plus c obviously. So this will be minus 1 by 3 into this is t power minus 1 by 4. This is also minus 1 by 4. So minus minus will cancel plus c. So that is 4 by 3 into 1 by t power 1 by 4 plus c. So therefore the integral I, that is 4 by 3 into 1 by t, that is x plus 2 by x minus 1 whole power 1 by 4 plus c. So therefore this is 4 by 3 into x minus 1 by x plus 2 whole power 1 by 4 plus c. So option C is the correct answer. Then here it is told to find the integral I equal to integral 2x minus 1 to cos of root over 2x minus 1 whole square plus 5 divided by root over this I can write 2x minus 1 whole square plus 5 also, since y 4x square plus minus 4x plus 1, that is also 2x minus 1 whole square. So now therefore we can take 2x minus 1 whole square plus 5 as t. Then we can say we can take it as t square since root is there. Yeah. And take it as t square. So I can say 2 into 2x minus 1 into 2, that is equal to 2t dt. So 2 will cancel. So then therefore 2x minus 1, okay, into dx obviously. So here dx is also there. So 2x minus 1 into dx, that will be equal to t by 2 dt. So therefore the integral I can be written as integral 1 by 2 t into cos t by t into dt. So therefore dt will cancel. So that is half integral cos t, integral cos of t dt. So integral cos t, that is sine t. So that is half of sine t plus. So therefore the integral will be half of sine of uh, root over. So t will be root over 2x minus 1 whole square plus 5 plus c. Half of square. So obviously option A is the correct answer. Then here Mm. Here it has been told that I is the integral e power 3 log 3 log base e2x plus 5 e power log base 2x by this dx, that x is more than 0, is equal to how much. So now the thing is, we can say that e power log base ey, that is obviously equal to y. Now this, so e power 3 log base e2x, that we can write, that is e power log base e2x power 3. So that is equal to obviously 2x power 3 is equal to 8x cube. Similarly, e power 2 log base e2x, so that is e power log base e2x whole square, that is equal to 4x square. 4x square, and e power 4 log base ex, that is equal to e power log base ex power 4. So that is x power 4, e power 3 log base ex, that is equal to e power log base ex cube, that is equal to x power 3, and e power 2 log base ex, that is equal to e power log base ex square, that is equal to x square obviously. So therefore the given integral I, that we can write it as integral is 8x cube plus 5 into 4x square divided by x power 4 plus 5x power 3 minus 7x square into dx. So this is 20. Now here obviously x square I can take outside, so x square, obviously 4 also I can take outside. 4x square into this will be 2x plus 5 dx divided by, here also x square I can take outside, so x square into x square plus 5x minus 7. So x square will cancel. So therefore the integral is nothing but 4 into integral 2x plus 5 dx by x square plus 5x minus 7. So therefore if we take x square minus 5x plus 5x minus 7 as t, then obviously 2x plus 5 dx, that will be equal to dt. So this integral, that will be equal to 4 into integral dt by t. So that is 4 into log base e mod t. So that is 4 into log base e mod x square plus 5x minus 7 plus, obviously constant of integration we have to add 4 into log base e x square plus 5x minus 7 plus c. So option B is the correct answer. Okay. So here it is told to find the value of this integral, which is integral sine theta. Okay, so here this 1 minus cos 2 theta, we can write it as 2 sine square theta, and this sine 2 theta again, we can write it as 2 sine theta cos theta. So therefore, let's call this as the integral I. So this integral I can be written as 2 sine theta cos theta into sine theta. So that is 2 sine square theta cos theta into this is sine power 6 theta plus sine power 4 theta plus sine square theta into root over 2 sine power 4 theta plus 3 sine square theta plus 6 to d theta divided by 2 sine square theta. So 2 sine square theta will get cancelled, and then so here sine theta, if we take it as t, so if I take sine theta as t, if I take sine theta as t, then obviously cos theta d theta, that would be equal to dt. So therefore, the integral I can be written as integral, this is t power 6 plus t power 4 plus t square into integral of 2t power 4 plus 3t square plus 6 dt divided by okay. So this only is the integral. So now here so if we take this as z, from here t square I can take outside, so this will be so this 2 t power 4 plus 3t square plus 6, if we take it as z, then I can say that 4, so 8 t power 3 plus 6t into dt, that is equal to dz. So here it is written so here actually 1t I can take it inside. Here actually this 1t I can take inside the root, then it will be t square. So it will be integral t power 5 plus t power 3 plus t into integral. This will be 2t power 6 plus 3t power 4 plus 6t square dt. So then, therefore, if I take 2t power 6 plus 3t power 4 plus 6t square as z, then I can say that 12t power 5 plus 12t power 3 plus 12t into dt, that is equal to dz. Therefore, I can say 12 into t power 5 plus t power 3 plus t, that is equal into dt, that is equal to dz. So therefore, this integral I can be also written as, this is integral root z into dz by 12. So this is 1 by 12 integral, yeah, 1 by 12 into integral root z. So root z integral, so it is, yeah, so this is integral z root z dz. So this will be equal to, now root z means z power half. So this will be 1 by 12 into z power half plus 1 by half plus 1. Z power half plus 1 by half plus 1. So this will be 3 by 2. So this is 2 by 3 into 1 by 12 into, this is z power 3 by 2 plus c. So therefore, this integral I can be written as 2 6 12, 2 6 12. So this is 3 6 18. So it is 1 by 18 into z power 3 by 2 plus c. Now z is this. So this is 1 by 18 into z, that is 2t power 6. Now t is nothing but sine theta. So this is 2 sine power 6 theta plus 3 into sine power 4 theta plus 6 sine square theta into, that is this is power 3 by 2 plus c. Now here what we can do, we can write sine square theta. Sine square theta, we can write it as 1 minus cos square theta. Cos square theta. So then, therefore, this integral I can be written as 1 by 18 into 2 into sine square theta whole cube. So this is 1 minus cos square theta whole cube plus this is 3 sine square theta whole square. So it is 1 minus cos square theta whole square plus 6 into 1 minus cos square theta whole power 3 by 2 plus c. So this will be equal to 1 by 18 to 2 into, this is a cube minus b cube is cos power 6 theta, a cube minus b cube minus 3s square b plus 3 cos power 4 theta So minus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus this is 3 into 1 so this is 3 into a square plus b square cos power 4 theta minus 2ab 2 cos square theta plus 6 minus 6 cos square theta whole power 3 by 2 plus 6. So this will be 1 by 18 into 2 minus 2 cos power 6 theta minus 6 cos square theta plus 6 cos power 4 theta plus 3 cos power 4 theta minus 6 cos square theta plus 6 minus 6 cos square theta whole power 3 by 2 plus c. So this will be equal to 1 by 18 of 2 plus 3 5 plus 6 that is 11 11 minus this is 18 minus 18 cos square theta, then plus this is 9 cos power 4 theta, 9 cos power 4 theta, then minus 2 cos power 6 theta whole power 3 by 2 plus c. So it means option D is the correct answer. No, sorry, it's cos. So it means option C is the correct answer. And here it is told that if this integral, that is this, that C is a constant of integration, then the ordered pair A comma B is equal to. So now this sin x plus cos x whole square can be written as, that is sin square x plus cos square x plus 2 sin x cos x. So hence we can write this as 1 plus sin 2x. 1 plus sin 2x. So therefore sin 2x we can write it as 1 minus sin x plus cos x whole square also. Sin 2x we can write like this also. So therefore this 8 minus sin 2x we can write it as 8 minus of 1 minus 8 minus 1 minus sin x plus cos x whole square. Plus sin 2x. Yeah. One plus sin 2x. So sin 2x will be, sorry, sin 2x will be this minus 1. Sin 2x will be the sin x plus cos x whole square minus 1. So hence this we can write, this will be 9 minus sin x plus cos x whole square. So therefore this integral I, that is given as integral cos x minus sin x dx divided by root over 8 minus sin 2x. This can be written as integral cos x minus sin x dx by root over 9 minus sin x plus cos x whole square. So now if we take suppose sin x plus cos x as t, so cos x as t, so then cos x minus sin x into dx, that will be equal to dt. So therefore this integral can be written as integral dt by root over 9 minus t square. Now we know that integral dx by x root over a square minus x square, that is given as sine inverse of x by a. Sine inverse x by a. So therefore now this 9 I can write 3 square. So this will be equal to sine inverse of t by 3 plus c. So that this will be sine inverse of t, that is sin x plus cos x by 3 plus c. So here it is written it is equal to a sine inverse sin x plus cos x by b plus c. So therefore here you can say a will be equal to 1 and b is equal to 3. So 1 comma 3. So option B is the correct answer. But then here to solve this one. So here it has been told that if the function f of x, that is this dx, x is more than or equal to 0, f of 0 is 0 only, and f of 1 is equal to 1 by k, then the value of k will be how much? So this integral I, that is f of x, that is equal to integral 5x power 8 plus 7x power 6 dx by x square plus 1 plus 2x power 7 whole square. Okay. So now we can take x power 7 as common outside, then we will get will be 5x power 8 plus 7x power 6 dx divided by this will be x power 14 x power 7. If I take outside, then this will be x power 7 into x power minus 5 plus x power minus 7 plus 2 whole square, and this will be also whole square. So this will be x power 14, then this we have to divide here. So this will come x 5x power minus 6 plus 7x power minus 8 dx divided by this will be x power minus 5 plus x power minus 7 plus 2 whole square. So now here now this we can take this x power minus 5 plus x power minus 7 plus 2 as t. Then we can say this will be minus 5 into x power minus 6 and minus 7 into x power minus 8 dx, that is equal to dt. So therefore 5x power minus 6 plus 7x power minus 8 dx, that will be equal to minus dt. So this is equal to integral minus dt by t square. So this will be equal to this will be minus of t power minus 2 plus 1 by minus 2 plus 1 plus c. So this will be minus 1. So this will be 1 by t plus c. So therefore the integral f of x is nothing but 1 by x power minus 5 plus x power minus 7 plus 2 plus c. Now therefore it is told f of 0 is 0. So now therefore f of 0, that will be equal to 1 by can multiply by x power 7, get x power 7 by x power 2 plus 1 plus 2x power 7 plus c. This is f of x. So if I put x as 0, then I'll get 0 plus c. So f of 0 is equal to 0 plus c, that is equal to 0. So c will be 0. So the constant of integration is 0 obviously. So now therefore the function, therefore now f of 1 to find out. Now therefore f of 1, so that will be x power. So we have to put 1. Here I have to put 1. So 1 by 1 plus 1 plus 2. Okay, so this will be 1 by 4. It is equal to given as 1 by k. So k will be equal to 4. The value of k is 4. 4 is the answer. And then here it is told for real numbers alpha, beta, gamma, and delta. If integral x square minus 1 plus x plus tan inverse of x square plus 1 by x by x power 4 plus 3x square plus 1 tan inverse of this dx equal to this, then the c is arbitrary constant, then the value of 10 alpha plus beta gamma plus delta is equal to how much? So now if you see that the integral will square minus 1 plus tan inverse of x square plus 1 by x dx by x power 4 plus x square plus 1 into tan inverse of x power 4 plus 3x square plus 1 into tan inverse of x square plus 1 by x. So that is equal to how much? Here we can do, you can write this integral as will be x integral x square minus 1 dx by x power 4 plus 3x square plus 1 into tan inverse of x square plus 1 by x. This I can write, and plus I can write integral tan inverse of x square plus 1 by x divided by x power 4 plus 3x square plus 1 into tan inverse of x square plus 1 by x into dx. Now these two will get cancelled. Then this integral, that will be so we can actually divide by x square here on both sides. So this will be integral 1 minus 1 by x square dx divided by x square plus 1 by x square plus 3 into tan inverse of again x plus 1 by x, plus this will be integral dx by this will be 3x square x square plus 1 whole square so this will be x square plus 1 by x square plus 3. Now therefore this integral I that will be equal to, now this one I can write integral 1 minus 1 by x square dx divided by x plus 1 by x whole square plus 1 square plus 1, then into tan inverse of x plus 1 by x plus this will be integral dx by okay, so we have to solve the second part in a different way. I'll keep it like this: x power 4 plus 3x square plus 1 integral dx. Now here, let's call this integral as I1 and this is I2, suppose. So now we have to solve this integral I1 first. So I1 is this, I1 is this. Now here we can take x plus 1 by x as suppose t. X plus 1 by x as t, then we will get 1 minus 1 by x square into dx. One over n minus 1, okay, to dx, that is equal to dt. So therefore this we can write integral dt by, we can do one thing, we can take we can take this tan inverse of x plus 1 by x as t. So then I can say this is 1 by 1 plus x plus 1 by x whole square into 1 minus 1 by x square dx, that is equal to dt. So this entire thing is dt. So this is integral dt by t. This will be equal to log base e mod t plus c. This is equal to log base e mod t, which is tan inverse of x plus 1 by x, means x square plus 1 by x plus c 1, suppose. And then this integral I2, that is equal to integral dx by x power 4 plus 3x square plus 1. Or 4 plus 3x square plus 1. Now this we can write integral x square, we can write this as 1 by 2 into integral x square plus 1 minus of x square minus 1 into dx by x power 4 plus 3x square plus 1. So this will be equal to half of integral. This will be, I can write x square plus 1 into dx uh, divided by x power 4 plus 3x square plus 1 and minus integral x square minus half of integral x square minus 1 dx by x power 4 plus 3x square plus 1. So now here we can divide the numerator and the denominator by x square, and here also we can divide the numerator and the denominator by x squared. So then we will get what? We will get half of so this will be integral 1 plus 1 by x square dx, and this will be x square plus 1 x square plus 3 plus 1 by x square. This is minus half of integral 1 minus 1 by x square dx divided by this is x square plus 3 plus 1 by x square. Therefore, this integral I2 that will be this is half of so the thing is this is integral 1 plus 1 by x square dx half of divided by x square plus 1 by x square plus 3 then minus half of integral 1 minus 1 by x square dx by x square plus 1 by x square plus 3. Now in the first one, here we can say that we can write this as half of integral 1 plus 1 by x square dx divided by this. I can write x minus 1 by x whole square, which is x square plus 1 by x square minus 2 and plus 5 I can write, and minus half of this. Here I can write 1 minus 1 by x square dx divided by this. I can write x plus 1 by x whole square plus 1. This also I can write. Now in the first case here, for the first integral, for the second integral, suppose, so in the first integral we can say that if we put x plus x minus 1 by x as u, then 1 plus 1 by x square dx, that will be equal to du. And in the second case, if we take suppose x plus 1 by x as v, then then 1 minus 1 by x square into dx, that is equal to du. So this will be half of, so this is half of du by u square plus root 5 whole square. Then minus this is half of integral, so it will be dv by v square plus 1. Now we know that integral dx by x square plus a square, that is given as 1 by a tan inverse of x by a plus c. So this we can write half of to 1 by root 5 into tan inverse of u by root 5. Minus this is half of, this is 1 square, 1 by 1 of tan inverse of v by 1 plus c. So this is 1 by 2 root 5 tan inverse of u, that is x minus 1 by x by root 5 minus 1 by 2 tan inverse of x plus 1 by x by 1 plus c, c2 suppose. So it means these two integrals we have to add. Therefore, the final, it is log base e mod tan inverse of x square plus 1 by x, plus we have c1 plus c2, we can take it as some constant c. So that is 1 by 2 root 5. So 1 by 2 root 5 tan inverse of is x square plus x square minus 1 so this here it is something wrong. Actually 1 by 2 root 5 tan inverse of x square minus 1 by root 5x, and this will be minus half minus half of tan inverse of x square plus 1 by x. Let's see. One by 2 tan inverse. Okay. So therefore, if we compare these two here, it should be minus 1, minus 1. So here from here you can say alpha is equal to 1 and beta that is equal to 1 by 2 root 5. Beta is 1 by 2 root 5 and gamma is 1 by root 5. And delta is gamma actually 1 by root 5 and delta that is equal to minus 1 by 2. So if we compare, these are the values which we will get for alpha, beta, gamma, and delta. So therefore, you have to find the value of 10 alpha plus beta, gamma plus delta. Because this will be 10 into alpha, that is 1, plus beta, gamma, that is 2 5s are 10, plus delta, that is minus half. So therefore, the value of 10 into alpha plus beta, gamma plus delta gamma plus delta. So this will be 10 into 1 minus half, that is obviously half plus 1 by 10. So this is 2 5s are 10, 5 plus 1, that is 6. So 6 is the answer. So hope all of you understood the solutions of all these questions based on the chapter in indefinite integrals on the JEE previous year questions, and any other in any other chapter of maths. If you have more difficulty, then please write the name of that chapter also in the comments. We shall give more priority on it and solve more and more questions on that chapter. And please install our Sapience education application, uh, where we shall upload some important questions on every chapter of maths, which shall be obviously helpful for your exam. So thank you everyone. Bye.